Titan War is the world's first 3D printed tabletop board game. The 3D printer is going through a watershed moment and the mass adoption curve is upon us. To ensure the highest quality content possible, we will always have an open license. The Titan War open license will allow any creator that wants to participate the freedom to do so. By focusing on independent creators and a sustainable collective business model, we can eliminate the need for power creep and model removal entirely. One of the most offensive things the industry does is tell creators and hobbyists that they can no longer use a model that they poured their time, money, and creative output into. This is totally unnecessary if you follow our mission statement. Don't be greedy. With pre-launch art support from yours truly, Nova Light, Duta, and Palpus X. Always made by gamers for gamers.